All right, so we've got a list. I just showed you how to go from cells to split the cells so you get rid of those commas. I don't care if you do junk food, drink, or cereal. Whichever column you want, I don't care. Just pick a column. At the top of the screen, we're going to go to Insert Pivot Table. Now, Pivot Table is basically going to make the data table for you. You're welcome. We're going to have it make it on a new sheet, so go ahead and click Create. Before we do anything else, down here at the bottom of the screen, I want you to grab this pivot table and drag this sheet to the left so it's the first one on the list. I don't want to hunt later and look for your stuff. So here's how this works. For the rows, I click Add, Cereal. For the values, I click Add, Cereal. And look at that, it made me a data table. Now, if I were to go make a chart, things are going to look wonky and loopy. That's okay. Here's what I really want you to do. Change this to sort by count. So now they're in numerical order. If you don't like that, you can feel free to undo and keep it in the funky order. That's up to you. Now we're going to select just the information. So I'm not getting this grand total and I'm not getting the first two rows. So I'm getting, mine went from Captain Crunch to rice. Don't forget the numbers. So again, do not get grand total or the first two rows. Insert, chart. Pie chart might be a little confusing to try to read. That's just my personal opinion. Again, pie chart might be a little confusing to read. Check out the column chart. Check out a bar chart. See which one you think is easier to read. Again, that's up to you. I don't particularly like the column chart because some of the names get cut off. So you decide which one you want to use. Totally up to you. I don't care. Whichever one you pick, we're stuck with for right now. So go ahead and click on Customize. Here's what you need to fix. Change the chart title and axis to just be mine cereal. If yours is junk food, that's fine. Change it. And make sure it's B for bold. And go ahead and collapse that section. Series. I repeat, I do not need you to change each and every one of these colors. That's not necessary. If you just want to change it though, just make it not blue. So any other color besides blue, so I know you've put a little effort into it. And don't forget to add the data labels. So don't forget to add your data labels. If you're happy with it, great. If you want to add a little bit of color to the background, that's perfectly fine. Otherwise, go ahead and close your chart editor and go ahead and close your pivot table editor. Click on your chart. Up here in the blank area, grab and drag and move it off to the side. So here's what I'm looking for. When I open your file, I want pivot table to be the first sheet. I want to see your table. I want to see your chart. That's it.